Hi there, everybody. Thank you for joining me. I thought I would just put out some things that I've made for Christmas, just little gifts. Um, that's about all I can do anymore. You know, I see on other websites and other pages on Facebook, women have 4 or 5 quilts for gifts for Christmas, and I can't do that anymore. So I want you to see my pillow back there. Isn't that the cutest thing? It's done on an embroidery machine, and I got it at an estate sale, my favorite line, but I love it. I just love it. So I wanted you to see that. I'm gonna move the camera around. So, well, I might just get each individual. I don't know what I'll do. But anyway, I made, about a month ago, I put on the cutest block you could ever make. I think that was the name of it. And it was just a block, but it turned out to be the prettiest block. And I made a pillow out of it, and I finished it. So we're gonna look at that. I made I say they're the cutest Christmas mug rugs, and made those, and I made some hot pads that are cute, and another pillow here that turned out just precious. So maybe you'll get some ideas and want to look back on previous videos how I made it. Now, I didn't put on a video how to make this hot pad, but it was a post. But you know how sometimes you're given somebody else's, after they pass away, you get their fabric, and this was, somebody had already cut these with the snowman into this 6.5-inch block. And I just added the 1.5-inch borders and then put my binding on it. It has the Insel Bright and 1 layer of batting. I know I read a lot of different comments, and a lot of people said they put the Insel Bright and then a batting on the bottom and on the top. But I think that's just so thick that you can't hardly use it. So you do whatever you prefer. But I just quilted it in here to make it look more puffy. And then just did straight line in the ditch around it. And then I gotta have my serpentine stitch on practically everything anymore. So I did the serpentine stitch right here across the plaid. And I love it. I think it's the cutest hot pad in the world. So let me get the camera down and show you, and I hope you'll make some of these things, okay? And I know you're busy making things of your own, but maybe it'll give you some ideas. Okay, let's turn the camera and see if we can get a better look. Now, this is the pillow that, if you remember the quilt, it was called Roundabout, and it had the teal and all of these pieces in it. And I left the teal out, and this was the block that I had that just makes a lovely, lovely block. I think it would make a beautiful quilt in these colors. I love these colors. And I put this border, the black with the shiny silver on it. And then here's my back. Just a speckled gray envelope. That's the only way I put backings on my pillows, so you can take it off and wash it if you need to. So that's for my nephew. And I'm gonna walk around. This goes to him also. And this is, I thought this just made a lovely set duo to give to him. This is the bottle cap, covered bottle cap. And I have videos on how to do that. Well, I put some decoupage on it, layered a matte finish decoupage on it, and it made it real stiff. But I think, you know, if you're going to set it on a table by your recliner and put a beverage on it, that you're going to need that decoupage to protect the fabric. But this has a lot of these fabrics in it, and I think he's gonna like it. Now this is the back side. You can really see the fabrics from it. So that's his gift. And then I just made a lot of the Christmas mug rugs. I have just laying out for different people. And then, like I already showed you, the hot pads. And let me get the other pillow. This was, I had the letters for some stencils, letters, and I cut them out and just did a buttonhole stitch around it and just made a lovely, lovely pillow. Here's the back. I thought that why not do it a little different? And I have two different fabrics. Love, love, love. And that's the sum of it, y'all. That's all I've got accomplished so far. I know you're having fun making all of your gifts too. Isn't it a joy to give people things that you have made? It is better to give than to receive, isn't it? It really is a blessing. Alrighty. Hope you're having a wonderful day. God bless. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to subscribe, it would mean the world to me. Bye.